Hi, I'm Adrian. I'm tutorial to how to Windows 8 folder lock. First, create your folder and name it what you want. I will name it Adrian, my name. Go to the folder. Go to the folder and new text and open your new folder. When you open it, copy the code in the description box. And this is copy it, go to your text and copy it, and this is the erase the password underscore goes underscore here and make your own password. I will password Adrian and save as. After you save as, go to your folder and save it. File name lockit.dat and save. After save it, go to your folder you created and delete this. Go to your lockit folder, click the bat file lockit, enter. When you enter it, private folder will appear. I will delete that. I will edit. If you want to name your folder trace private and rename it your name or anything you want and save. After save it, enter private. It's nothing changed, but double click it again, press Y for yes, and the folder will appear and it's a folder lock. If you want to restore it, enter and type your password and that's hit enter again, Y. If it's working, try to another password like that and it's not appearing, diba? Lock it again and type your password. Okay, enter, and that's you can your downloads in here to make private your videos and thanks for watching my video and subscribe, like, comment. Thanks. I'm Adrian. Tutorial to Windows 7 folder lock code. Thanks.